Hello, I wanted to show you how to launch Screencastomatic. So you're going to go to screencastomatic.com and then just click down here where it says start recording for free. That will launch this red and white box. When that launches, you'll see this black box. You want to click on both so that it captures both your screen and the video from your computer. And then you'll say click on the red button here that says record. You want to have your PowerPoint open before you press record. So in other words, I'm going to bring my PowerPoint up here. So you'll open your PowerPoint and then you'll press the record. This red and white box and this will be over your PowerPoint. So bring that up and then launch the software. Now I noticed that the box is a little bit low, so I'm going to pull it up just a little bit so it captures everything in there. I'm going to go to slideshow and play from the start, and this is going to record everything that's in here. Now notice it does cut a little bit off of my electronic poster, so just make sure you don't have anything on the very bottom or the very top. You will then, like I said, click on use both, click on record and start recording. So that's how you do it, and then you can, when you're finished, you can upload it to YouTube and then put the YouTube link in the Dropbox. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, you will notice down here, you want to be in this middle one. That means there's a small picture of you here and your screen here. If you click on this one, it would just be you. If you click on this one, it'll just be the screen. So you want to be on that middle box there as well. So I hope you do well. Good luck, and I'll talk to you soon.